ಲೋಕಚನ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು. ತುಮಕೂರವರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪು ಲೋಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಕೋವಿಂಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಕಫ, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಒಂದು 27th ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿವಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನುಪಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಕಾದ್ರಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಬಂದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಬಂದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗಿಂತ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗುನ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೂ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನುಪಮ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಕೇರಿಂದ ಅವನನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹುಷಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Jaiswal. I'm a pediatric intensive care consultant at Rainbow Children's Hospital, Banerkata Road. I'm going to be talking about Lokshit Kauda, who is one of our patients who came in quite sick, and we had to retrieve him from Tumkur. So we sent out a retrieval team, retrieved him, put him on a ventilator there and brought him to us. He was quite sick. He had necrotizing pneumonia along with spontaneously throwing up pneumothorax, that is air outside the lung which crushes the lung, and he needed multiple chest drains because of how unstable he was to keep him stable on the ventilator. However, his both sides of lungs were very badly infected. He developed infections. In addition to that, he stayed with us for a very long time, and he was ventilated for about 3 weeks. We were successfully able to bring him out of ventilator, got him involved with multiple teams, and we also had to perform a chest surgery on him, which is called as video assisted thoracoscopic surgery or VATS. And with the help of multiple teams for his care, medical and surgical, as well as good pediatric intensive care, we were able to get him better. He later on developed some further complications of cranial nerve palsies as well as a bronchopleural fistula. We've been able to get him better, recover, and he's safely home now. So it gives us immense pleasure, and we are proud of the fact what we have achieved with similar patients and someone like him. That is what we would like to share today with you. So thank you so much for listening.